At TGW Logistics, we design automated systems that scale from your normal operations to your busiest peak season days. It starts with data. We analyze your current volumes, SKUs, and growth projections to understand what's really needed. Not just now, but years down the line. The challenge? Designing for both average and peak days. Too big and you waste investment. Too small and you can't perform when it matters most. That's why we use Design Day, a realistic high-performance day that ensures ROI while keeping room for peak flexibility. For peak season, we scale smartly, adding shifts, activating manual zones, or switching your picking strategy from discrete picking to batch picking. No overbuilding, just smart, scalable logistics. Do you want to know more about this? Read the full blog to learn how TGW can build to perform today and scale for tomorrow.